up guys, my name is Matti Logar and I started a new YouTube channel called Legendary. So for my first video I wanted to show you my sneaker collection. So let's start with the first pair. My first pair in the collection is Nike Air Max 270, as you can see here. It is size 11 and black and white. This pair of shoe is really special for me because it actually got me into the sneaker world, and this pair of shoe is really comfortable and soft, and that's the reason why I wear it almost everywhere and anytime. Then my second sneaker in the collection is also Nike, called Nike Air Max 90. Here it is. It is also black and white as the previous one. This is probably my most favorite sneaker in the collection, and here are some reasons why. The first reason is this air pocket. You can see all around the shoe, and you can actually see from this to another side practically through the shoe. And I like also those stripes all around the shoe that are in the shape of the wave. And really interesting part is also the lacing system. As you can see, those stripes are actually tied up all around the tongue of the shoe, and small but nice detail is also this Nike swoosh at the bottom of the shoe. I think that's really interesting. Then that's all about Nike. Let's move on to the Jordan. It's actually my first Jordan I've ever picked up. So that's size 11. It's called Spicy, and as you can see it's gray. And this shoe was my first Jordan because I didn't know much about shoes or Jordans, and I thought that this was a Jordan 4 because of this thing right here that has Jordan 4. And actually I bought this shoe and when I was searching for Jordan 4 I realized that I was wrong, and that's the reason why this shoe isn't my favorite shoe anymore. Then move on to Adidas. This is, I think, my first Adidas shoe, and it's called Adidas Tubular Doom Sock. And this shoe, as you can see, is black. Some of the details here are red, and this shoe has some special laces. They actually glow in the dark, and the bottom is also special because the more you wear them, less is bottom there, as you can see. And that's it about those shoes. Then I got another pair of Adidas, as you can see. I don't know, to be honest, name of them. I bought them just for my PA class, and I can say that I like them. Then my last Adidas shoe is Adidas NMD R1, and as you can see it's almost fully white. Some details like bottom, this thing here, and a little bit inside is black. And I like this Adidas shoe because it's so light and soft. This is because of Boost. Boost, it is a special material that is used by Adidas, and you can see, I think, here, this is the Boost that makes shoes so light and comfortable, and I could be wearing them for a very long time without pain. Then here are Wave Phantom 2. These are shoes that I'm wearing for my trainings. I'm training handball, so they are pretty destroyed. And that's it about them. And the last shoe, this is also the last shoe I bought. Actually, I bought my mom for my work, and here it is, nothing special to say. That's it about that video. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which one of those shoes of my collection or your collection is your favorite. See you in the next video. Bye!